How to clear system storage on Android phone. First things first, open up your settings. We're going to scroll all the way down and tap on Software Update. Now, just double check that your phone is completely up to date. Sometimes outdated software clogs up your system storage with temporary bugs, so keeping it updated actually frees up space. All good? Awesome. Now let's head back to the main settings page. This time, look for App Management and tap on it. Next, click on App List. This is where all the apps hiding on your phone live. Scroll through and find the apps you literally never use. For example, I'm going to pick Android Auto because I just don't use it. Tap on it and you'll see an option that says Force Stop. Go ahead and tap that, then hit Force Stop one more time to confirm. What this does is completely shuts down the app from running in the background and eating up your system's temporary storage. Now just go back to that app list and do the exact same thing for any other apps you aren't using. It takes like 2 minutes and makes a massive difference. If this helped you out, hit that like button so I know, and subscribe if you want more quick fixes. See you in the next one.